Spice up your language. Mastering adjectives in English. Hello, learners. Today, we're delving into the vibrant world of adjectives. Adjectives bring life to our sentences. They help us paint pictures with words by describing or modifying nouns. In this video, we're going to master the use of adjectives in English. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, making your writing and conversation much more exciting and interesting. They give us more information about people, places, things, events, and ideas. For example, in the sentence, Sarah is tall. Tall is an adjective because it describes Sarah. In I have a red car, red is an adjective describing the color of the car. English has several types of adjectives, and it's crucial to know how to use each type. Let's explore them. Descriptive adjectives. These are the most common types of adjectives and are used to express characteristics or qualities. For example, beautiful, happy, blue, soft, etc. Quantitative adjectives. These adjectives tell us about the quantity of something. For example, some, all, no, many, etc. Demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives point out specific things. They include this, that, these, and those. Possessive adjectives. These adjectives show ownership. For example, my, your, his, her, etc. One common question is, where should we place adjectives in a sentence? Usually, adjectives come before the noun they are describing. For example, she has long hair. But sometimes, adjectives can come after the verb. This usually happens with verbs like be, feel, get, look, etc. For example, the cake smells delicious. When you use more than one adjective before a noun, they should be in a specific order. It can be a bit tricky, but here's a general guide. 1. Opinion, beautiful, ugly. 2. Size, big, small. 3. Age, young, old. 4. Shape, round, square. 5. Color, blue, red. 6. Origin, French, American. 7. Material, wooden, metal. 8. Purpose, cooking, racing. For example, I bought a beautiful big old round red French wooden cooking bowl. And that wraps up our journey into the world of adjectives in English. Remember, adjectives make your language more expressive and exciting, so don't be afraid to use them. Practice makes perfect, so keep working on these and remember that mastering adjectives will make your English sound more fluent and natural. Happy learning!